Hi guys, welcome to a brand new episode of Ankita's Kitchen. Today we are going to make aloo paneer. Very simple to make, so let's get it started. Here I've taken a pan. To that I'm going to add some oil. To that I'm going to add some paneer. We're going to shallow fry this paneer with some salt and turmeric powder. I've used 200 grams of paneer cut into cubes. So once you get the nice golden brown color, you can take it off the pan. My paneer has got some color, so I'm going to take it off the pan. I'm using the same pan. You can change if you wish. To that I've added a pinch of kalonji. We'll wait for 30 seconds. To that we'll add tomato paste. I've used one large tomato and 3 green chillies. We'll saute this on high heat. For about a minute. After that, we are going to add half a teaspoon of ginger paste. Mix it. To that we'll add some turmeric powder, cumin powder, half a teaspoon, and a quarter teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix it. Salt to taste. And mix it. Now we are going to add this is parboiled potatoes. This is not completely cooked potatoes that are cut into pieces. We are going to add that. I've used 2 medium sized potatoes. Now we'll give it a good mix. And here I'm trying to break the potato into mini pieces. But it's parboiled, so now I have to cook the potatoes with some water. So here I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Give it a good mix. Once the water comes to a boil, cover करके इसको cook करना है until the potatoes are soft. So here I'm back after 2 to 3 minutes and I'm checking the potatoes और ये पके नहीं हैं. This stubborn potato piece will just not finally. So I'm trying to break the potatoes, but then it's not cooked all the way through. So yes, so I'm going to cover it. And before covering, I'm going to add some garam masala. And yeah, I've covered and I've cooked it. Now you can see the potatoes are cooked all the way through. इसको अभी बस हमें मैश करना है. It's an absolute favorite paneer dish of mine. Now we are going to discard the chillies. And add the paneer pieces. After that, we are going to cook this for 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. But before that, we'll add some roasted elaichi powder. I've used 3 elaichi cloves, roasted and crushed it, and I've added. I've covered it for 2 minutes, and after that, this is how it looks like. Oh, it smells magical. And after that, we'll turn off the flame and add some finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well, a good mix, and yeah, take a close look. It's beautiful, isn't it? A must try recipe, paneer recipe. So let's start plating. I've taken a bowl here. पनीर को डाल देंगे. Please do try this recipe and let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed cooking and eating. And this is how it looks like. If you liked my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.